Hey guys, it's John from ChargeGo, and today we're going to be placing an order for a Rivian R1T. Alright guys, so we're on the Rivian homepage on their website, and I'm using an iPad here, and we're going to get started with our order. If I scroll down, I can start configuring my R1T right away by clicking Build Your R1T. So the first thing I have to decide is which build I'm going to go with, the Adventure package or the Explore package. As you guys can tell, the Adventure package is slightly more expensive. In the Adventure package, you guys can tell, if you look at the top image of the Rivian, the color of the mirror cover actually changes as you switch between the packages. And if we look at some other key differences between the packages, one key difference is that the Explore package has matte black interior finishes, while the Adventure package has natural grained ash wood interior finishes. I personally like the matte black interior finishes more, but I also like natural grained ash wood interior finishes. But I think from what I've seen in images of the Rivian, the matte black interior finish, I think, looks slightly nicer. Another key difference is that the Adventure package has heated and ventilated seats, while the Explore package only has heated seats. And also, the Explore package has just driver lumbar adjustment, while the Adventure package has driver and passenger lumbar adjustment. But I think I'm going to stick with the slightly less expensive option and go with the Explore package. For the battery, I don't do a lot of long distance driving, and for that reason I think the large pack with this 314 EPA estimated mile range, I think is fine for me. So I'm going to stick with the large pack. For the paint, so there's multiple options, and one thing to note is that the various colors actually are not at the same price, and basically the LA Silver and the Great Glacier White color are at no additional cost, but the rest of the colors do have an additional cost associated with them. I personally like the El Cap Granite color the most, so I think I'm going to stick with that color. If I scroll down here, so the wheels and tires. So just like the colors, the wheels and tires also come at additional cost in most cases. Just these 21-inch road wheels and tires are not at an additional cost, but the rest are. I personally like these 20-inch all-terrain wheels and tires the most, so I think I'm going to stick with these. Let me know if you guys disagree in the comments. Spare tire, I think it's always nice to have a spare tire. I think it's important. I do like to go camping sometimes, and a spare tire would be very useful. So I'm going to go ahead and add a spare tire. The off-road upgrade at an additional cost of $2,000. I don't think I'm going to get this. I don't do too much off-roading. Maybe if I did, then I'd consider it, but I just don't do too much. Now the interior. There's the Black Mountain and the Ocean Coast interior. I'm a big fan of darker colors on the inside of a car. So I think I'm going to stick with the Black Mountain color scheme. Next, the adventure gear. So Rivian has these cool additional packages that one might get, but they are not inexpensive. So the Rivian Camp Kitchen and Snow Peak is at an additional cost of $5,000, while the 3-person tent and cargo crossbars are at $2,650. And there's a bunch of other things. There's the gear tunnel shuttle. I don't think I need that. Just like I don't think I need the top two things we looked at. The cargo crossbars, I don't need those either. I do like to go snowboarding, but I don't think I need the snowboard ski mount. Especially with all the room in the bed. And there's also, of course, the tunnel itself that I think might be perfect for snowboards. If not, then the bed will have to do. Charging. Yeah, I'll get an at-home wall charger. Sets. I don't think I need an off-road recovery kit. As I said, I don't do too much off-roading. A field kit, that's interesting. But I don't think I need that. And I don't think I need the all-weather floor mats, at least not yet. We'll see in the future if I do get them eventually. Now we're looking at the summary here. So we got the Explorer package, the large pack, L-cap granite color, 20-inch all-terrain wheels, full-size spare included, Black Mountain color interior, and we got a wall charger. So coming at an estimated price of $72,100. And there's this estimated payment tool here, and this is how it calculates that. And I'm almost certain that this does qualify for the $7,500 federal tax credit. And that price reduction is not included here in the summation down below. So I'm ready to check out. I'm going to click checkout. And yeah, I just need to type in my information here. It'll lead me to create a Rivian account, which then I could sign in with, and I could change my configuration, I believe, and I'm set to go. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll keep you updated on the status of this Rivian.